Okay. Now, for example, you created a PO. Okay. It's not a GR based invoice verification. Invoice is posted. Okay. PO is created with $100. Okay. Invoice is posted with $105. Okay. Now you are
Okay.
performing the goods receipt. Okay. One
After
quantity.
invoicing and-
Yeah. After invoicing, you are doing the goods receipt. One quantity and PO price is $100 and invoice amount is $105. Okay. Now you are performing the goods receipt. What will be the accounting entries? The material is
Then-
having moving average price, or else the material is a consumable material. Okay. No need standard and all.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you tell me. Whatever the price is posted during invoice receipt, right? Okay, system will consider that amount only. So already WRX is posted for 105. Okay, so the system will generate WRX as 105, and the remaining amount will be loaded on the whatever account, which is stock account. Okay, it will be loaded on that material account, because it's a moving average price means it will be loaded on the material. Okay, if it is consumable kind of a thing, then the consumption account. Okay, so the consumption account will KBS will be there, right, within GBB VBR inside. So finally what I can say is whatever invoice amount is there, that amount will be considered during goods receipt. That's what I wanted to say. It's not 100, it will be 105. Okay.